If you are seeing this video, it's a sign that it's time to clean your camera's sensor. Truth be told, most of us don't do it as much as we should, but honestly, I would recommend cleaning your sensor at least twice a year, and if you're shooting quite frequently, even more than twice a year. I clean mine all the time, and for how cheap and easy it is, you should be doing it way more than you probably are. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the easy way to clean your camera sensor, as well as show you a couple things that you absolutely need to know before you clean your camera sensor. So before you jump in there and just go about cleaning it, watch this video because I'll show you how to protect that sensor and make sure that it doesn't get damaged while you're doing it. Now, before you jump in, do note that you can't just use regular cleaning products in your house. There's no Windex that you can just spray on your camera's sensor and clean it. So you will need a couple things for this video. Now, you will need a sensor cleaning kit. This one that I have here is from K&F Concepts, but there is tons of different brands that make these. I'll put a link to a couple different ones for maybe like a Sony, a Canon, and a Nikon camera down below in the description. So make sure to click on that link if you want to pick those up. And you do need to make sure the one that you get is for your exact sensor size. So these ones are designed for my Sony camera for that full frame. And because the swab will perfectly fill the size of the sensor. If the swab is too small, you can't perfectly sweep it back and forth. So that's why you want to make sure you get ones that are specifically for your camera. Like I said, down below, I'll link for your Canon, Nikon, and Sony mirrorless cameras. I'll put a link for one of these for each of those. And you will also need a rocket blower. Most of us have one of these rocket blowers that you should be using to clean your camera sensor before you do this. And then you will, of course, need your camera. Make sure you have a battery in it because we are gonna need it to be on to lock the sensor in its mode. All right, well, I think that covers pretty much everything you need to know. Once you have all this stuff, continue on with the video. I'm gonna show you exactly how I do this. Let me clear the table and get the stage set so that I can clean my camera sensor. First thing you want to do with the camera on is go into your menus. You should have some sort of cleaning mode or a sensor lock mode. You just want to go ahead and select that, hit enter. Now my camera vibrates because it tries to vibrate any dust off the sensor, and then this message comes up. Essentially right now the sensor is locked, which is good. We want that sensor locked for what we're gonna do. So now you can go in and pull the lens off of your camera and put the lens. So now you can pull the lens off of the camera, and then you should have access to your sensor here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is take a little dust blower here and blow dust off your camera, around the camera, blow off as much dust as you can. And then you want to actually flip your camera upside down and blow dust from the bottom. This makes sure all the dust falls out. We're going to get rid of as much dust as we can. Now we've got our camera sensor. We'll go ahead and set that there. Now I'm going to grab my swab cleaning kit here. Make sure you have the right one for your camera size. And what you're gonna do is take out a couple of swabs. Now you need 2 swabs to do this if you wanna do it the right way. So I'm gonna go 1 and 2. And then these sensor cleaning kits should come with some sort of solution just like this. So what you're gonna do, open up one of the swabs. You can move this out of the way. Open up one of these swabs. And once you have the swab open, you'll grab your liquid here. Now with the liquid, you're gonna put like 1 drop or maybe 2 drops on your swab. I'm just gonna do 1, just like that. You're gonna let this sit for about 10 seconds, count to 10, and then call it a day. Now, once you're done, you're gonna go in here onto your camera sensor, and you are just gonna click and go through once one direction, and then you're gonna swipe back on the other direction just 1 time. Now that should be good for most cameras, but a lot of times they recommend you use a second swab that's dry to go through and just touch this up again. So I'll grab my dry swab. This is a new swab again that I just opened. Go through, swipe once, and swipe twice. Just like that, my camera sensor should be clean. You can throw your lens back on and then test that to make sure that it's clean, but that should be exactly how you're gonna go about cleaning that camera sensor. Hey, well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below if there's anything I can do to help you. Like I said, this video is not sponsored. I did include a few affiliate links though to some of these products. It gets me like a couple of bucks if you buy one of these through my link. So if you are gonna buy these, hit my link down below and help me out. Also, make sure that you leave a like and subscribe to the channel so I can reach more photographers and help more of you guys improve your photography every single week. As always, so grateful for you guys to be here. My name's Austin Jackson. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time.